Whether adding them to cakes or brownies, coconut flakes make a great addition to homemade desserts. If you love this popular fruit, you will want to know how to sweeten coconut flakes. These will take your desserts to a whole new level. Fortunately, sweetening coconut is quite easy, so no need to worry if you have no prior baking experience. It not only gives desserts a nice look, but it also gives them an amazing flavor and texture. Sweetened coconut is great to have on hand for your baking needs. Uses for sweetened coconut. There are many different recipes you can use shredded sweetened coconut for. It is a versatile food and great for using for decorating. It adds a great tropical flavor that takes your dessert to the next level. Sweetened coconut is great for adding to different cakes. It tastes great with chocolate, vanilla, yellow, carrot cake, hummingbird cake, and coconut cake. It is popular to use with Easter lamb cakes, as it gives the appearance of the fur on a lamb. Coconut also goes great with brownies. You can add frosting or caramel on top of your brownie and then sprinkle it with coconut for a great treat. There are also many cookie recipes you can use coconut with. Coconut is an important ingredient for coconut macaroons. They also go great with snowball cookies or even as a decoration on frosted sugar cookies. Sweetened coconut is great for keeping around for any occasion. You can add it to your cheesecake or make an incredible coconut cream pie. It also makes a wonderful topping for yogurts, parfaits, and mousse. What you need to make sweetened coconut. Ingredients: 1/4 cup water, 4 teaspoons granulated sugar, 1 cup unsweetened coconut. Step-by-step instructions. Step 1. In a small saucepan, heat the water and sugar together with the heat set to medium. Step 2. Add the coconut to the water and sugar mixture. Stir the mixture with the coconut until the water is absorbed. Once the water is absorbed, remove the coconut from the heat. Step 3. Add the coconut to your baking sheet lined with parchment paper and let it dry. Step-by-step instructions: toasting the coconut. Step 1. If desired, you can also toast your sweetened coconut. To do so, preheat your oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. You can use coconut that has been shredded or flaked. You will want your coconut to be on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Step 2. Toast the coconut in the oven for about 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, stir the coconut with a spatula and return it to the oven. Continue cooking it for another 3 to 4 minutes until it is golden brown. Step 3. Once it is golden brown, remove it from the oven. Allow your toasted coconut to fully cool before using. You can store any leftovers in an airtight jar at room temperature for up to 1 month. Tips and tricks. Instead of using sugar, you can use honey or maple syrup to naturally sweeten your coconut. To do so, use 4 teaspoons of honey or maple syrup in place of sugar. Then, instead of using hot water, use just warm water instead to mix all the ingredients. Allow the coconut to soak in this mixture before letting it dry out. Use it immediately or store any leftovers in an airtight container in a fridge. If they are properly stored, they should be able to last for 1 month. Be certain that the flakes properly dry before storing them, otherwise they may become soggy and will potentially spoil quicker. In addition, you can also store your sweetened coconut for up to 1 year. To do so, place your flaked or shredded coconut in a Ziploc bag, removing as much air as possible. In addition, you may also use an airtight container as well. It will last in the freezer for around 6 months as long as you properly store it. When ready to use, let it thaw at room temperature for half an hour or in the fridge for a couple of hours. It is important to note that it may be slightly soggy once it thaws completely out. You can use shredded or flaked coconut for this recipe. If you would like to shred it on your own, you can use a cheese grater and do it by hand. In addition, you can also pulse small chunks of coconut in a food processor as well. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.